simple VPN, but it is fast. I will show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here, you're gonna need to check in. If you don't check in, you won't be able to see if you are connected to this VPN. So once you have tapped on this option here where it says check in, do see check in. Once you have checked in, you won't be seeing this here. You will be seeing this here. And over here you have this smart proxy option, which pretty much allows you to select which application you do not want to get a connection and which you do. So how do you connect this VPN? So once you have checked in, you have to watch a 30-second ads. Once you watch the ads, you're pretty much good to go. All you have to do is just tap on the connection button here.
Photo editing hack.
So once you tap on the connection button, it will load an ads. Once the ad is finished, let's exit off and it will be connected. And let me tell you, this VPN is fast. Won't be able to choose any server, however, just connect. So no servers, you just have to connect. If you buy these types of VPN, do comment below your thoughts on it and let me know. See you in the next one.